Welcome back to Never New Awesome Openings. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of Eli searches for 151. My name's Ash. This is Eli. So we are going to be looking for 151 in these packs.
I'm actually doing horrible. It's in my checklist.
I think he's doing pretty good. From when I started Temple, I was not as good as him. By now,
I actually have some codes that I forgot to mold off, but we'll mold them off after the video. He's to mold them off for me. Anyways, we'll start over.
Let's get to it.
Yeah.
So we've got a Sturridge's Beach Court. We've got Baltoy. We've got Onyx. We've got Oshawott.
Not that. This was
we've got Oinkalone. We've got Pikachu
for Daddy.
We've got Vulpix.
151.
Is it? Yes, it is.
Growlithe.
151. The Sharp. We've got more Peko. Kabutops. 151. Gusty Pickaxe.
I think last pack opening of this, I got another. No, not part 1. The last one that wasn't part 1 we did, I got. This is the second Dusty axe I pulled in
It's a Gusty Pickaxe.
Dusty Pickaxe.
We've got Tajamara Onyx. That's not a double. That's 151. We've got Ralts, Mankey. Also, if you want any of these cards, I want the name of the card in the comment sections down below. We've got Mankey, Clystar from 151, Snorlax from 151. Dun, dun.
It's just I think I already have.
Keep it for now. Snorlax, Mankey, Damakomo Kazukamiya. Oh no, we just dropped the 2 cards. Sorry. Oh, we just dropped.
If you're a fan of Chainless, sorry.
Yeah. No, if you're a fan of Poldean students. We dropped 2 different Poldean students.
Yeah.
We've got Rapidash.
151.
151. Come on.
Oh, this is
the non-reverse.
Perfectly with my reverse form.
Reverse versus regular. Da 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 da. We've got Jolteon from 151. Energy Switch. Da na na na. Machamp 151. Oddish from not from 151.
Thank you for saying
from Lost Origin. Snorlax 151.
I know I already have it because
I just got a new card. Let's see. We've got Million Jr. Woobat, not Swoobat. Houndstone.
boom.
Marowak. This is a cool Marowak.
It's too bad it's 151.
We've got, moving into the 3rd pack? Second pack.
I know I opened it, you tossed it.
3, 2, 1, action! Do we have more?
Just my favorite toys in this flash.
Ooh. We've got Ancient Booster Energy Capsule.
I know you would like it.
We've got Spikamuth. Charged to Death. Flareon from 151.
Is this the hollow form?
This is the hollow.
Then I have it.
We've got Nido Queen from 150.
I think I already have the reverse. Yep, I do.
We've got Drowsy.
How about you put those on your 151 pile and double check?
Okay.
We've got Drowsy.
I know I have that snow.
Go back. 151. We've got Natu. Makuhita. Curlia. Parasect. We've got Claydol. We've got Umbreon V. Can I have this?
Sure.
Great Tusk EX. Can I have that?
But no, I liked it.
Alright. Shed.
Dad, can I keep this one? Sure.
Shells.
This is my number 51 Keep Empire.
We've got Muck from 151. Dun, 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 dun. Graplock.
No, not this again.
Bum. We've got the Chunk. If you didn't know, there is a GameStop version.
Oh, and if you didn't actually know, I also have the regular of that.
So Coughing 151. Dun, dun. We've got Pineco. Scarlet Violet Base. That's a cool artwork. Litlow.
Then take it.
Thanks. Litlow. We've got Helopapatil. Annihilate.
No way, I think I got the full set.
We've got Machoke. 151. Dun, dun. We've got Heracross. 151. Dun, dun. Oh wait, no. Actually, sorry. This is Scarlet Violet Base.
The Reef? Is it the Reef in the
Sorry, all
151?
you. Sorry, all you.
Who likes Heracross?
Heracross fans. Heracrossing the road. I love that one.
Yeah,
I actually traded it off. It's like $10.
You traded it to me and then I traded it to someone else.
Yes. We've got Lost Back. Tatsugiri. Sushi. That's my favorite food if you didn't know.
No, it's here.
Oh, thank you. I will eat that after this video. We've got Setodala Machamp. 151. Bills Transfer. 151. A Dragon.
That's a too old one. I think you may want it.
Thanks. Oh, yeah. We've got Dodrio. 151. Next pack.
I'm actually feeling lucky with this one. Actually, no, remember I did open.
Ooh.
I'm feeling lucky with this one because this one was actually the one that had this in.
Which is, if you didn't know, 151.
Toss it.
We've got Doctrix. Dodrio from 151. We've got Oshawott for the second time. Oh, if you didn't know, Marie from Basically Marie needed this card for her Asokiki Asokoita collection.
Dad, I think I may want to hold on to
And
that.
that's pretty cool that we just own it.
Dad,
and
you
she
know
doesn't.
why? So, in case I ever meet her, I might be able to trade.
We've got Rapidash from 151. Sorry, but we just... Sorry, all you Aracuda fans, Cutie Fly fans, Camerot fans, Put in Whooper fans, Atticus fans, and Nispel fans. We've got Arcanine 151. We've got Ponyta 151. We've got Chimchu, Graveyard. We've got Paulfin, illustration rare.
I'm keeping out the bid.
Let's see, we've got Zuzas. We've got Rowlet, the Maitomu Kazukamiya. We've got Articuno.
I need that. In case I have a
Articuno 151.
We'll break in then.
Magikarp 151. Clefable 151. Melmetal, Pokemon Go. Actually, I do have a Ditto if you're wondering. 2 of them, same one. The Bidoof. We've got Dugong 151. Lechonk 150.
Now I have a double on this and a Woodford. Come on!
We've got Dreadnought. Litlow. Wait, is that 150? No. Iron Valiant. I need that. How do I need this card?
It's down to you for your temper.
Thanks. We've got Boss's Orders. Is that... No. We've got Machop, 151. Lantern. We've got Gengar Reverse, 151. We've got Marowak. Is that 151? Yeah.
Yes, I got
That's Croconaw. And then the Gengar Hollow, which actually has the writing.
Oh, so that was the Gengar.
Hello. Alright, that is the finish of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next video. Bye.
Bye.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell and share this with your friends. And that's how you'll be entered in the giveaway.
Yep.
Bye.